Turmeric may be the most effective nutritional supplement in existence. Many high quality studies show that it has major benefits for your body as well as for your brain. Turmeric is a spice that has been used in India for thousands of years, not only as a spice but also as a medicinal herb. Turmeric contains curcumin, a substance with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Chronic inflammation contributes to many common Western diseases. Curcumin can suppress many molecules known to play major roles in inflammation. Curcumin has powerful antioxidant effects. It neutralizes free radicals on its own but also stimulates your body's own antioxidant enzymes. Curcumin has beneficial effects on several factors known to play a role in heart disease. It improves the function of the endothelium and is a potent anti-inflammatory agent and antioxidant. Curcumin boosts levels of the brain hormone BDNF, which increases the growth of new neurons and fights various degenerative processes in your brain. Curcumin leads to several changes on the molecular level that may help prevent and perhaps even treat cancer. Curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier and has been shown to lead to various improvements in the pathological process of Alzheimer's disease. A study in 60 people with depression showed that curcumin was as effective as Prozac in alleviating symptoms of the condition. Arthritis is a common disorder characterized by joint inflammation. Many studies show that curcumin can help treat symptoms of arthritis and is in some cases more effective than anti-inflammatory drugs. Due to its positive health effects such as potential to prevent heart diseases and cancer, curcumin may aid longevity. I hope you all liked this video, and I would suggest you all to use turmeric in your daily lives and avail all the benefits provided by turmeric. Thank you.